Hello students, again we are today going to discuss about what is power of three ratios. What is T? T means trigonometric ratios, okay? Don't think something else. So next, quotient relation of trigonometric ratios. These two things we are going to discuss today's topic, okay? So now, what is power of trigonometric ratios? Means when power is there, how we will write in the trigonometric ratios? Example, I will write here sine theta whole square is there. Then we can write it as sine square theta. Then we will go for then cos theta whole cube is there. Then what we will write? Cos cube theta. Okay. If it is tan theta whole power 6 is there. How can we write? Tan to the power of 6 theta and so on. Okay, you are understood now. In this way, when they given like this any exponent, you have to write sine square theta. If cube they given whole power 3, then you can write cos cube theta. Tan theta whole power 6 means you can write tan to the power of 6 theta. In this way, we need to represent the powers of trigonometric ratios. Okay, I hope you all understood this. Now we are going to the next topic, quotient relation of trigonometric ratios. T ratios means trigonometric ratios. So in that first theorem, for any acute angle theta, prove that tan theta is equal to sin theta upon cos theta, cot theta is equal to cos theta upon sin theta, tan theta into cot theta is equal to 1. How sir we will prove this for any acute angle theta? So you know that this total trigonometry deals with right angle triangle. So now I draw one right angle triangle here. So let me give names A, B, C and right angle triangle, and this will be hypotenuse. And there was written ABC, and this is your hypotenuse because whenever that right angle oppositely whichever is there, that is hypotenuse. So I will give a small h. And then whichever down is there, that is called as base. So when this is theta, okay, so this is acute angle, that is theta. Then theta oppositely whichever is there, that is called as perpendicular. Now you know perpendicular, base and height. Just substitute the values here so that you are going to get tan theta is equal to sin theta upon cos theta. How you are going to get LHS? What is LHS? Tan theta. Tan theta, what is your formula? You know formula is that perpendicular upon base. So write that perpendicular upon base. So what I'll do is now I'll divide numerator and denominator with hypotenuse. What will happen? Let me check. So perpendicular upon hypotenuse, base upon hypotenuse. You may ask, sir, why sir you divided both places? If we divide both places, then value cannot be changed. If you are not dividing numerator and denominator place, only numerator place, if you keep hypotenuse, not in denominator, then value will change. Okay? So that is the reason. Okay? Now, what is perpendicular upon hypotenuse? You know that is sin theta. What is base upon hypotenuse? You know that is cos theta. Okay? And anyway, you may have one doubt, sir. How can I remove this? How can I remember this sin theta, cos theta, tan theta? So for that, there is one mantra. So you remember this mantra, okay? Soha. So that is nothing but SOH. So, and another one it is CAH. So, ka, and then, so that is sokata. So, sokata, meaning of that here, sin theta, opposite side upon hypotenuse, cos theta, adjacent side and hypotenuse, tan theta, opposite side and upon adjacent side. So remember this so that no need to by heart the problems, by heart the formulas. So SOH, so ka ta, so ka ta, to remember in that way. So now You have understood this part. LHS we took, tan theta written. Tan theta means you know that perpendicular upon base. Then divided numerator and denominator with hypotenuse. So when you do that, perpendicular upon hypotenuse means you know that sin theta. Then base upon hypotenuse means you know that cos theta. Just written sin theta upon cos theta. That is nothing but your RHS. So it is proved. So I will write here hence proved. HP means here hence proved. Okay. So now we are going to the next one. So what is next one? Cot theta is equal to cos theta upon sin theta. Can you do? So it is very simple. Okay. I will help you. So first what is here LHS? Cot theta. What is cot theta? You know, base upon perpendicular. And now same manner divide numerator and denominator with hypotenuse. So base upon hypotenuse, perpendicular upon hypotenuse. What is base upon hypotenuse? Is nothing but cos theta. Perpendicular upon hypotenuse, sin theta. So cos theta upon sin theta means what do you know? That is your RHS. See that the magic. You took LHS and proved the RHS. Then hence it is proved. Clear? So now we are going to the last one, that is third one. So now from this you all understood clearly that tan theta means sin theta upon cos theta, and then cot theta means you know that cos theta upon sin theta. Just substitute these values in the equation in the problem number 3. So just I will write here LHS tan theta into cot theta. What is now tan theta? Sin theta upon cos theta. So just write here sin theta upon cos theta. This into what is your cot theta? Cos theta upon sin theta. Just substitute here cos theta upon sin theta. Then cos theta cancel. Sin theta cancel. You get answer as 1. That is your RHS. Hence, clear? Any doubt in this theorem? So you all understood this theorem? So if you have understood, we will go for next theorem. So next theorem we are going to discuss in that quotient relation of trigonometric series. For any acute angle theta, prove that sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1, cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. How to prove this? It's very simple. Just take now LHS sin square theta plus cos square theta. What is sin square theta? What's sin theta first? You know sin theta means according to Soka ta, it says that what? So SOH and then CAHTOA, right? So what is sin theta? Opposite side upon hypotenuse. So right here opposite side upon hypotenuse whole square plus, because here square is there because of that square, and then here OS means opposite side, and cos theta means what do you know? Adjacent side upon hypotenuse. So adjacent side upon hypotenuse whole square. Now you just observe carefully now what is there in that. So now both the squares are there. So this square give to both. So what will happen? Opposite side square upon hypo square plus adjacent side square upon hypo square. Just check now. These both are like fractions addition. So only one single denominator. Opposite side square plus adjacent side square. Now, what is opposite side square plus adjacent side square? That is nothing but hypotenuse square according to your PGR rule. PGR rule says what? Hypotenuse square is equal to opposite side square plus adjacent side square. So now here I write since opposite side square plus adjacent side square is equal to hypo square. Clear now? So here down also hypo square get cancelled. What you will get answer as 1. That is your RHS So hence it is true. Clear now? So in this way, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1 you are going to get. So then it becomes as an identity and formula. Now we are going to next question, that is secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Same procedure. Secant square theta minus tan square theta. What is secant square theta formula? Can you say what is secant square theta? So first hypo square upon sec theta, that is nothing but adjacent side square, minus what is tan square theta formula? You know that is TOA, opposite side square upon adjacent side square. Again, like fractions, addition, subtraction here because minus symbol, so that subtraction. So hypo square minus opposite side square upon adjacent side square. Now what is formula of hypo square minus opposite side square? It is nothing but adjacent side square. So right here adjacent side square upon adjacent side square. Since hypo square minus opposite side square is equal to adjacent side square, which is, this came from your PGR rule. Okay, so now adjacent side square get cancelled. So what you are going to get? 1, that is nothing but your RHS. Hence it is true. So that is about your second one. Now we are going to the last and final one. So now what is that? Cosec square, again same manner, LHS is equal to cosecant square theta minus cot square theta. What is cosecant theta formula? You know that hypotenuse square upon opposite side square. So write hypo square upon opposite side square minus what is cot theta? Opposite to tan, means adjacent side upon opposite side. So right here adjacent side square upon opposite side square. Now again like fraction subtraction, hypo square minus adjacent side square and then upon opposite side square. Two opposite side squares are there, only one single you have to write. Now what is hypo square minus adjacent side square? Nothing but opposite side square upon opposite side square. Since here what is reason? Hypo square minus adjacent side square is equal to opposite side square. So now from this opposite side square 1's are opposite side square, so that we get here 1, that is nothing but your RHS. Hence it is true. So if you have any doubts, you can write comment to me, or whichever question you have doubt, you just send message to me so that I can help you out. God bless you all.